broken motor mount bolt fixed.
Mechanics 101.
Huh?
It's Mechanics 101.
I bet you could reach around there and stick a bolt through it.
No. There's no way to get to it.
So Blade Bar parts car, we're gonna make run. We're gonna see if we can make it run in 3 hours. At the rate that he moves, it might take 7 or 8. Took him a half an hour to go change his clothes. I sat here and beat off. Mounts are in, transmission's in. Clutch is on, flywheel's on. Just gotta put the motor mounts on, motor mount brackets on the motor and exhaust, and then we can drop this thing in. And we're halfway home then. I think he's gonna leave this seized up air compressor in it.
Oh, she'll be unseized. Crank that AC out of it.
So she's beat pretty good, but we'll see what we can turn it into. It's beat worse than my parts car that we picked up. A little bit on the quarter panel. A little bit on the rocker. Rocker skin, I should say, because you can actually still jack up on those.
A little bit of everything.
Interior's nice though, but we had to steal a bumper and taillights off of the our other project until we get a motor ready for that. So we'll try not to be so boring this time.
Make some noises later.
You done yet? You done yet? You done yet?
Give me a few.
So I don't even know what time it is. We'll figure it out.
It's like 9 or something.
9 o'clock. We're starting a little late here, so we'll see if we're running by 11. So it was actually 9:20 when we started this. It's 9:40 now. Throwout bearings on. Motor mounts are in. He's jerking off. He's gonna get the slave cylinder off now, so we don't have to fight with it. And then we're gonna get this thing hooked up to the chain, drop it in. Maybe. Need motor mount bolts, the ones that go to the, and you need, I don't know where you did with the exhaust manifold bolts. And then we can get that on there. What's that?
There's somewhere in here.
All right, we'll be right back. 10:11. We're making it up to the transmission right now. We're making good time. Be right back. We're a little less than 2 hours in. It's 11 now. We basically started at 9:20, 9:30. Pretty much wiring harness is on. He's bolting the exhaust up right now. Just got to put the starter in, drain the oil. This thing can go on the ground. Then we finish buttoning the top up. Figured take a video, take a little break here for a minute. Wiring harness is hooked up to the ECU, so all I gotta do is plug the injectors in and put the slave and master on, and then we'll be almost ready to fire this thing up. It's 12:30. Other than hooking up a couple coolant lines,
And change out the radiator, we're good to go.
change the radiator, this thing's ready to fire. But we found out that somebody put way too long bolts in the crank pulley and it was sitting in the front cover. So
There's a baby tap.
we're changing those quick. But everything's buttoned up other than putting the intake on it and putting a battery in it. Cool. We'll be back, hopefully with it running here in a minute. Little trees. You got that on start? Insta check engine light. but a lot of shit's not hooked up. And we have no fuel. It lives.
Yeah, fucking thing's tearing right off.
That's nice. One more Rx8 safe from the junkyard. We'll see. We gotta put some fuel in it. It's alive, and I don't know why my flash is on. SSD valve needs to be replaced. What the fuck are you listening to? We're moving under our own power. No hood.
A couple things are missing though.
A couple things are missing. We'll kill that check engine light in a little bit. We lost something. We'll find it on our way back.
Maybe that was a bunker.
I believe we lost something. Could have been the rest of the under tray.
Think about that.
Yeah. We're living on the fucking edge here with no fuel.
I don't even know how I started it up. A rotary.
You've got no trash control, just so you know. She goes good though. Alright, what do we do?
The bumper.
We lost the bumper. Well, this is interesting.
I never had a bumper fly off on the road. Oh, that's why e-brake was on.
Oh, the e-brake was
The
on?
e-brake was on.
We'll have to blow a donut. Fucking shitty SSD valves.
Carried it back down to the house, we'll point it back out, so we'll have it again.
Right. That's what happens when we take junk cars down the road. We just leave it in the fucking road. Sorry, car, we'll be back. Or you'll run out of gas, one or the other. We didn't even fucking put taillights in it. Well, we did put taillight in it, it's just not hooked up bulb-wise. Yeah, we just abandoned the car running with the doors open, fucking, yeah. We'll see if we run out of gas. Go. Did you check the lug nuts?
Yeah.
Okay. It just feels weird.
I know. The e-brake's off. I'll look it off.
Could have been all fucking blown struts and shit. Do we dare go around the block?
They had a little block we can go around.
Well, that's what I was talking about.
Oh, okay.
Getting the shakedown. We even got a hood prop up. Or hood. This car hasn't been down the road, what, 2 years? It's got bad gas in it. That might be the trunk.
Yeah.
The trunk isn't latched. I thought it was latched. It was closed.
The thing drives straight.
It's either that or we got bad struts or fucking something. But minimal. I mean, the car's running. She runs good. For fucking beat ass fucking everything.